And then we're going to be making use of banana. Now you have to use a very ripe banana. My banana is super duper ripe, and that's why you see this black stuff on it. Okay, so banana is a skin moisturizer. It's therefore great in removing tons of blackheads, and it's remove stretch mark, pigments, and wrinkles. So it's gonna leave the skin moisturized and soft. Alright, for the banana, I'm actually not going to be using much. Just a little quantity of this banana will go a long way. Okay, so I'm actually going to be slicing it into this bowl, and I'm going to be mashing it also. Okay, so I'm gonna be mashing this banana off the camera, and I'll be right back when it's properly mashed. So you can see it's already mashed because it's very ripe. Okay, so the banana is properly mashed and blended. You can see very soft. And we're going to be making use of yogurt. Now, because yogurt contains the lactic acid, so it's going to be very helpful in removing all of the pigments and wrinkles. It's going to even out the skin, and it's going to tighten it up. So banana is going to be great in removing all age-related problems. And for the yogurt, 1 tablespoon of the yogurt will go a long way. Or rather, since we're going to be using it on the body, let's use 2 tablespoons of that. We're going to be needing pure gram flour. Okay, now this is a remedy that is very vast. It's great for pigments, it's great to glow the skin. It scrub out dead skin cells, removing dryness, getting rid of pigments, removing dark spots. Okay, now we're gonna be needing 1/2 tablespoon of pure gram flour. And also we're going to be needing sandalwood powder. Here in this bottle I have sandalwood powder. Okay, sandalwood powder is a great remedy that helps to get rid of dark patches and pigmentations, and it also gets rid of aging skin, wrinkles, and fine lines. And then 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder, then we're going to be making use of aloe vera. Now aloe vera is an age renewer. It is great in renewing the age, and it's also great for slowing down the aging sign. So it's going to be perfect in getting rid of sunburns, irritated skin, and it moisturizes the skin a whole lot. 1 spoon of aloe vera gel. Alright, now all the treatment is ready. Now we're gonna mix. Okay, gonna mix all the remedy very well. And I'm gonna stir to make sure that it is properly mixed. Now, if you have an uneven skin tone, guys, all over your body, you can use this and your skin is gonna be extra glowing, extra beautiful. Alright guys, so for this remedy you can use it occasionally onto your body, like you scrub all of your skin with this, okay? So if you're noticing uneven skin tone, you use this and all of your uneven skin tone will be gone and your skin is going to be sparkling, beautiful and very bright. Hey guys, alright, so here is my body glowing remedy and I'm actually gonna be rubbing it all over my body like this, okay? So first I'm gonna start from my neck and I'm gonna rub it through my whole body. Now, everyone's on your face too. And rub it under your armpit, like everywhere. Something that you can apply everywhere onto your body and glow your skin, okay? So basically this is how you're just gonna, okay, I didn't apply on the side of my hands. Okay, it's actually kind of difficult to use the left too. Okay, so after you apply this, you should hold on. You can apply it all over your body, that's what I mean, including your legs and everywhere. So after that, then you can just get into your shower and wash all of this off. And before you wash it, you have to scrub it. You scrub everywhere with this, okay, just like this. Scrub everywhere with it. And your skin is gonna glow if you use this like twice in a week or once in a week, guys. I mean, your skin is going to glow really fine and you're just gonna love your skin. If you're having a problem of using a cream and it doesn't work for you, treat your skin with this, okay, with this, and cream is going to start to respond, okay, and you're gonna be good to go. And that's it, guys. So I'm going to you're going to use warm water to wash this off. So I just boiled my water. I'm just going to wait for it to boil, and after that I'm going to use it to wash off all of my body, while I'll be using this in the part in which I don't want you to see, okay, like my boobs, around my back, under my armpits, my down there. Well, not into your vajayjay, okay, don't do that, don't rub it that side, okay, my thighs, everywhere. I'm just gonna rub this all over. Then I would take my bath and leave this bathroom and your skin is gonna glow. So thumbs up the video, share it, please do share it, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon. Bye guys, and